let's find the midpoint of the following 2 points here. So when we find the midpoint of 2 points, it's very, very similar to taking the average of numbers. When we take the average of a set of numbers, we add up those numbers, divide by how many we have. Well, the way that we take the midpoint here of these, so I'm going to label these x1, y1, x2, y2. So the actual midpoint formula, take the two x's, divide by 2. You're going to take x1 plus x2, divide by 2, y1 plus y2, divide by 2. So essentially take the averages of the x's, take the averages of the y's, and that's going to be your midpoint. Your solution is going to give you that central point from these two, right? If 0, 3 is here, 7, 6 is here, we're solving for that middle point, right? The center between them. So let's go ahead and plug directly into this formula. x1 is 0 plus x2 is 7, and we'll divide that by 2. y1 is 3 plus y2 is 6, and we'll divide that by 2. Now 0 plus 7 is just a 7, so here we get 7 halves. 3 plus 6 is a 9, so we get 9 halves right over here. Keep them as fractions most of the time. If you are able to put them as decimals, go for it, but otherwise fractions is how most textbooks like your answer left. Our midpoint is 7 halves, comma, 9 halves.